Hello, 庄教, who I haven't seen for a long time, is finally here. Don't talk nonsense. Okay, then we'll bring a hidden pig. The pig is from the sun in the iPhone. Do you think it's through? The name is poetic. You. We see this as a particularly special one. Of course, the little brown is nothing. Too many patterns. It is very natural to make your eyes a little red, and it is very natural to be simple at the same time. His lock edge also has that slightly virtual edge. It doesn't feel very real, so it's real. The special, natural, and painless forceps created for you. You don't rely on some plain eggs to sleep on the tree. You have a special magical look. Once a forbidden heart. Okay, let's do a pre-makeup, and I'll do it now. Count 1. This is the highlight cream. This is it. The one with a moist texture. The dark spots on that face. Fang lightened it up and dipped me thinly in these dull places and just went straight to my face. And then it gets a little darker up here, and then use this pink. This lip makeup is also a little darker. Okay, now see if our faces are quite even. Okay, let's go to sleep again. The cream will even out our overall skin tone. Because it has been applied evenly. Wow, this brush is so gentle. Then we use a pop like this and then put the one with a little brush mark. Apply it to the place and pat it evenly. Next is concealer. There is a concealer. Put red and green. To repair the appearance is originally this, like a milk coffee tone. I really feel very happy every time. Doc, obviously this is very wonderful. Today's eyebrow hair is not combed, which is very special. I just plan to draw that. The first is to make a little residual blood and make him feel slightly torn apart. I will use brown first. Colored eyebrow powder. Then use an eyebrow pencil to replenish a little bit of hair glue. Okay, and then we're going to put on an eyebrow dye because today I'm decorating that one, I think. Do you want that saturation to be slightly lower? So I also use this low saturation eyebrow dye today. 1 is the color, and the new one from Botha's house has a color number of 0. 4, it's called Rummy Brown. I don't need to say more about the texture and brush head. I really like to press this with it. Let's take a look. In fact, its color has appeared in my previous videos, and I am really not stingy. I recommended it in it. It's still very simple to color. Is that so? Gently. Brush and then brush twice in reverse to see the color of the entire eyebrow directly. It's pressed down, it's just a very light yellow tone with a little more luo on the basis of natural brown. Rice tone. It's very special, that kind of light eyebrows. I have goosebumps to say. Feel the shadow of a little practice. It's also dizzy on my cheeks, and it's still hot here to give him a little base. In a while, we will stack other color numbers to find a piece of honey powder cake. This kind of emission is longer, and you can also put this eye. Joe, order it because we're going to prepare an eye makeup cloth and this ash powder like this. Purple. Use that to pounce on the top like this. For an eyelid, let's use this pink as a base first, and use light pink. Then swipe MPT, buy it. We're going to be at the end of the eye. That's about it. Then we use this one. This is a new one I bought 2 days ago. It's very beautiful eyeshadow. Movie. If you look at it, it's all a soft pencil. Then I wait. Your main brother draws black and gray eyelashes and inner eyeliner. Today we do this with eyelash paint. Human hair, pure fleshy posterior ciliary eye muscle. Then apply the double eyelid sticker to whiten it. Add a little blue eyeshadow just now, and we will use this blue pen to trace the eyeliner. Here, then come to the lower eyelid of the open corner, and the whole eyelid has to be wrapped up. Because after we just pasted these eyelashes. It's just that the eyes are elongated. At this time, we need to draw some eyeliner. Give it this end of the eye here. Lift it up a little bit so it looks a little more coordinated. So we're writing from here, and that's it. Well, that's about the shape. Open your eyes here, and I won't be like this. Yours is empty. Set them all. A light pink apricot brick light blush powder. That's it, broken light pink purple. Then we use the light breaking powder just now. It feels a little metallic. Use this strawberry milk pink to stack a little bit, and it's still everywhere. Glare this pink, let's trace the nose shadow. Brightening powder high. Light paste on the hole and nose. The nose and the chin are varied. The glittering highlight powder is painted on the eyes, and the eyes can go up and down. Sweep it, there is a bulge in the nose, and scratch the lip color. Then use a neat pink lip liner to trace the lip color and trace it. Neaty. The fuller one has a cream nude lip gloss as a base, and then use this one. Pale pink is painted on the lip, set the honey powder in the middle, and then order a few juices. Okay, then curl your hair, divide the hair, and then every strand will be curled out with bangs. It is also a version, but remember to pump it out so that it can be rolled out with that kind of water ripple. Shape. Pat hair root again here.